Guys, getting locked out of a phone is a horrible feeling. Maybe you've forgotten the passcode, Face ID has stopped working, or you have an old device you own but you can no longer access. Well, today I'm taking a look at Dr.Fone by Wondershare. This is a screen unlock tool for supported iPhones and Android devices, and I gotta say, it's mighty useful. So if you've been locked out of your phone and want a way back in, stick around, I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, Dr.Fone is a bunch of tools for your mobile phone from Wondershare, and today we're specifically looking at screen unlock. Now, depending on the device and software version, it includes options for iOS and Android screen locks. You also have Apple ID, activation lock, and Android FRP. But before we get into it, guys, Wondershare did send this over to me for me to take a look at and for me to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. But I must give you one massive disclaimer, guys. Only use this on a device that you own or that you're authorized to service, and don't assume that your data will be preserved. Removing an iPhone or an iPad screen lock erases the device, and some Android methods can do the same. So that said, guys, let's get into it. Now, getting into the software, and the first thing that you're going to know is that everything is clearly laid out. From the main toolbox, you choose Screen Unlock and then select whether you're working with iOS or an Android device. Now, for this demonstration, I'm using an iPhone that I own, which has been locked with a passcode. So first off, I'm going to select Unlock iOS Screen, and then I'm going to connect the phone to the computer using a USB-C cable. Now, Dr.Fone detects the device and checks the model and system version. If the phone isn't detected normally, the software will give you clear on-screen instructions of how to place it into recovery mode. Once the device information has been confirmed, Dr.Fone downloads the correct firmware package for that particular phone. This is probably the longest part of the process, so depending on your internet connection, you might be waiting here just for a few minutes. Now, once the firmware has been downloaded, Dr.Fone verifies it and gives you one final warning before continuing, and this is important as removing the screen lock from an iPhone will erase the data currently stored on that device. Now you just have to enter the confirmation code, click unlock now, and Dr.Fone begins installing the firmware and removing the screen lock. Now don't forget, you need to keep the phone connected while it completes this process, and once it's finished, the phone restarts at the normal setup screen, ready to be configured again or restored from an existing iCloud or computer backup. And that's the complete process. The passcode has been removed, but the phone has also been reset. Now guys, that is pretty much more useful than simply being told that the software can unlock a phone, because you can see exactly what's involved before you begin. Dr.Fone takes what could be quite a confusing recovery process and guides you through the device detection, firmware downloads, warnings, and unlocking stages one step at a time. You'll still need to check that particular device and software versions are supported, and you absolutely need to understand that your data may be erased. But assuming it's your own supported device and you're happy with those conditions, the actual process is clearly explained and pretty much straightforward. So guys, there you have it. Dr.Fone Screen Unlock is not a way of recovering a forgotten passcode or preserving the information already stored on an iPhone. Instead, it gives you a guided way to reset a supported device, remove a screen lock, and to get the phone back to a usable setup screen. And if you have an old phone sitting in the drawer that you own but you can no longer access, that could be mighty useful. And guys, at the time of this video going live, check out the Dr.Fone website for the latest offers. I'll also leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And if you have any questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Wondershare for sending me this cool software to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.